Would you like to get more cash flow yet want to work is the main way? Imagine a scenario in which your pay continued developing even while you weren't working. Envision getting up each day to see more zeros in your financial balance. In this video, we'll uncover the mysteries of procuring automated revenue even while you rest. Could it be said that you are prepared to get started? We all need to get more cash flow, yet we likewise need to appreciate life, correct? This is where recurring, automated revenue becomes possibly the most important factor. Today, I'm not about to tell you the best way to bring in cash. I will show you the best way to reclaim your time. What is automated revenue? Automated revenue implies bringing in cash without dynamic work. Yet, there's no need to focus on no work. It's tied in with setting things up once so they continue to acquire cash. Envision having cash coming in while you're snoozing, voyaging, or investing. Energy with friends and family. That is the reason automated revenue is one of the most remarkable ways of accomplishing monetary freedom. Method 1. Stock dividends. The first strategy is stock profits. By putting resources into stocks, you can acquire profits, yearly benefit shares from specific organizations. At the point when you put resources into stocks, you not just have the potential for the stock to fill in esteem, however, you can likewise gather profits as an extra revenue source. These little yet consistent installments can assist you with creating financial momentum over the long run. Simply recollect, it is fundamental to pick the right organizations. Strategy 2. Land investment. Buying property can appear to be trying from the start, yet over the long haul, it can turn out a consistent rental revenue. Think about it along these lines. Cash you contribute today turns into a reliable type of revenue tomorrow. Land ventures require a high beginning expense, however, they offer stable pay in the long haul. When you contribute, your property continues to work for you. Technique 3. Selling computerized items or digital books. The third technique is selling computerized items and digital books. Composing a digital book or making an internet-based course might appear to be overwhelming from the start, yet whenever it's made, deals can go on endlessly. Envision bringing in cash from deals even while you rest. Computerized items just should be made once, however, can continue acquiring income, making this both an instructive and productive approach. Method 4. Subsidiary marketing. Our next strategy is member promoting. By advancing others' items on the web, you can procure a commission on every deal. Procuring commissions without selling your own product is conceivable. With member advertising, you bring in cash by prescribing items to other people. You should simply associate the right items with the perfect individuals. Strategy 5. Crypto marking. The last strategy is crypto marking. You can procure additional pay by marking, securing up certain digital currencies in your wallet. This cutting-edge speculation technique has extraordinary potential whenever utilized shrewdly. In any case, recall that the crypto market is unpredictable and conveys risks. These are 5 strong ways of accomplishing independence from the rat race. Investigate these choices to see which one fits you best. Presently, you can begin bringing in your cash work for you. On the off chance that you partook in this satisfied, remember to like and buy in. I anticipate seeing you on the way to independence from the rat race in later recordings.